Hey, welcome back to another video of eTechs. In this video, we are going to learn how to change your username in Character AI. First of all, open up your preferred web browser and head over to character.ai. After that, log into your account. Now, click on the profile icon which is at the bottom left corner of your screen. After that, click on Settings. You'll see your public profile here. Now, click on the username field here. After that, delete the current username and type in a new username. Now you need to click on Save button. After that, your username will be changed. So that is how you can change your username in Character AI. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.